To factory reset Samsung Galaxy Watch 8 by using recover mode, first of all, you will have to click and hold a home button and the down button when the screen is turned on simultaneously. Now you will have to wait until the device turns off. Just be patient for this. And when the Samsung logo appears, you will have to release both buttons and then quickly double tap on the home button. And as you can see now, we are in the reboot mode, so we have to click once on the home button to select recovery, and now we have to click and hold it until the device turns off. And now we will enter for the recover mode when we will go forward and perform that reset. So just be patient and wait for a few seconds. Usually it takes around 10 to 15 seconds to enter for the recover mode from that reboot mode. Also, I'm going to show you how we can navigate and how we can actually select something, because there's like small changes from Samsung Galaxy Watch 7. So all you have to do right now is just to swipe like so from the bottom of the screen, and now select wipe data factory reset. And if we want to select, we have to swipe to the left side, then scroll, select factory data reset and swipe to the left side. And now the reset is on the way. And that's basically it. Thanks for watching and see you in my next videos. By the way, now you have to just click to reboot system now and the device will turn on.